Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 5 English literature teacher. First of all, take out page number 25. Today we are going to start this topic. Muff Potter is caught. Remember, Muff Potter has not done the murder, and the blame is put on Muff Potter. So now, by the end of the day, the midday, the whole village knew about the killing of a terrible killing of Dr. Robinson, and everyone was thinking it very strange, and the master of the school gave a holiday to the children because the knife was found close to the body of the murdered doctor. So it was believed that the because the knife belonged to Muff Potter, so everyone was believing that the murder is also done by Muff Potter, and someone had also seen Muff Potter washing himself in the river at 2 o'clock in the morning. So now everyone was sure that this murder of Dr. Robinson is done by Muff Potter, and then he ran away at once also. The town people were searching for him, but he was not found. Everyone. Now everyone was, all the people, the crowd people, they all were running towards the graveyard to find out the truth. And Tom also joined the crowd. And when he reached there, his friend also came there, Huckleberry, and squeezed his arm. And they both were thinking about that what will happen. And they were very much worried about Muff Potter, that he was a poor young man, and they wanted to tell the truth to everyone, but they were afraid that if they will tell the truth, then they will be killed. At this moment the crowd began to move, and the voices shouted, "It's him, it's him, he's coming." And then the other people shouted that who is coming, and that was Muff Potter. He stopped, and he tell that he's not the killer, he has not killed anyone. Now turn to page number 25. Now people in the branches of the trees, over Tom's head said that he wasn't trying to get away, he just looked puzzled. So he wanted to have a quiet look at his work, said one person close to Tom. He didn't expect to find anyone here. Now the crowd went away, and the sheriff came there, and he held Potter in his arms. And the poor man, the Potter, looked very frightened. He was very afraid of the sheriff. Although he has not committed any crime, but because the blame is put on him, so he is very afraid. And he is continuously saying that I haven't done it, and he is continuously saying I didn't do it. So now somebody shouted that who says you did it. And Potter looked around. It was Injun Joe, and he was very happy that Injun Joe is taking his side. And then Muff Potter asked Injun Joe that you promised that you will never. Is this your knife, Potter? The sheriff showed the knife to Potter and asked that does it belong to Potter, holding in front of him. But the Potter was really very afraid, and he was afraid that something will go wrong. Then Huckleberry and Tom were also standing quiet. They were not telling anything to anyone, because if they were thinking that if Injun Joe heard it, the truth that the killing is done by Injun Joe, then Injun Joe is going to kill them. But after that, when they were thinking that Muff Potter will be punished, so they almost decided to break their promise of not telling the truth to anyone. But when Injun Joe had finished and he stood alive, and then they felt that they must have sold themselves to Satan. They were thinking that Injun Joe has sold himself to Satan, and he was the boys were thinking that Injun Joe is the friend of the king of the devils. And they were also thinking, the two boys were also thinking that Satan is helping Injun Joe, and that is why he has become powerful. Why didn't you leave? What did you want to come here for? Somebody asked Potter, but Potter was not able to answer anything. Now Injun Joe repeated this story, and he was standing very calmly, and he also sworn, keeping the hand on the Bible, but he was not telling the truth because he has done the murder of the doctor. Now the boys were quite sure that he has sold himself to Satan, and that is why he is very much interested in Satan. So now they wanted to watch him at night so that they could see Injun Joe and the terrible master, that is the Satan, together. Now Injun Joe also helped to lift the body of the murdered man and put it in the cart, and that was whispered by the people who were in the crowd. And the boys also hoped that this might make people believe that Injun Joe had done the killing, but more than one person said that the bleeding started when Muff Potter was standing close to the body. It means most of the people believed that the killing is done by Muff Potter. So this much we have done. So first of all, you will read page number 25, 26 and 27 carefully. Then from these pages I have picked out a few questions, a few words. You will find the meanings of those words and you will make sentences of this. The first is search. Search means to find. Squeeze means to press. Frightened means afraid. Puzzled means confused. Repeat means to do again and again. Perhaps means maybe. Terrible means horrible, and leading means guiding. So now you know the meanings of these words. First of all, you'll write the meanings of these words and then you'll make the sentences. Thank you very much. This is your homework. Allah Hafiz.